Are you dreading taking a half a day off work just to sit around waiting for the bug guy? Well, don't worry, modern pest control is incredibly convenient. For an average home up to 3,500 square feet and with our standard maintenance, it takes a very predictable amount of time. Monthly service is typically going to take roughly 10 to 15 minutes. Bi-monthly service, 15 to 20 minutes, and quarterly service is going to take about 20 to 25 minutes. If it's your first time having a service, it's going to take a little longer than that, typically 10 to 15 extra minutes. And obviously, if you've got 50 anthills in the backyard and a giant rat's nest that we have to take care of, or you're being overrun by scorpions, we're going to take a little bit of extra time. Than if your wife just happened to hear one single cricket, maybe over in the neighbor's yard. Well, the next question, do you need to be home? Well, for the first visit, we really like for you to be. We love it, in fact. Because I assign a dedicated technician to your home and to your route, we want you to be able to meet the guy that's actually going to be servicing your home. But after that, as long as the side gates are unlocked and all your unfriendly pets are put away, then you never have to be home for your recurring services. We'll handle everything on the exterior. Finally, I want you to be aware of the splash and dash. If you see a competitor's truck pulls up, spraying a house, and then leaves in 4 or 5 minutes, they're probably cutting some corners. I require my technicians to walk your property 2 to 3 times every single visit. The first lap, they're going to be walking around and spraying the foundation, taking care of the fence line, but they're also going to be looking for other things that are going on. A lot of cobwebs, ant trails, ant hills, other issues that they're going to need to put the backpack sprayer away, go back to their truck, get their de-webber, take down the cobwebs, put out some ant bait, whatever it happens to be. And that's usually on the second and sometimes third visit, depending on how bad it goes on the second visit or trip around the yard. So bottom line is we respect your time as much as you respect our time, and we're never going to compromise on quality when it comes to your service, no matter how long it takes.